A positive mental attitude can clear away all obstacles which stand between you and your major purpose in life.
It's go time.
Positive mental attitude.
Know this, man.
Hey guys, what is up? Get ready for a double take in 3, 2, 1. There it is.
Don't blame me. I didn't do it.
Hey there guys, just a quick message. If you're watching these videos in order that they're uploaded, being the last video, Apple didn't want my Chinese money, then this video won't make much sense because you'll be thinking he mentioned he was leaving to get a plane, leaving the Apple store, but now he's back in Shanghai at night time. So this video was actually the last night in Shanghai, the night before I went to the Apple store, just so it all makes sense. Have an awesome day.
Excellent.
Today I'm in the Yuyuan Bazaar area at night time, which is close to Yuyuan Gardens. I know what you're thinking, Chris, this is daytime. I know, I get it. Sun goes down, sun comes up, yada yada yada. But stick with me and all will become clear. In 3, 2, 1. Nice. And I especially really enjoyed this view because you can see the old Chinese rooftops. And in the distance you can see the new skyline with the Pearl Tower, the bottle opener. And if you've not seen my previous video about the bottle opener building, click here now. I managed to find my way onto a rooftop. In different cities, different towns, different countries, different cultures, wherever, I always like to take myself off the beaten track. Granted, this isn't far off the beaten track, but it allows me to see a place from a slightly different perspective rather than what's paraded as tourism. And at times what you come across, what you find can be grimy, can be luxurious, and a hidden gem. And I have no preference because it all adds to the greater experience of being present in that moment. And my real reason for coming out at night time in this area, guys, was solely to catch Chinese karaoke. I know in its origins it hails from Japan, but I heard nighttime karaoke in the Shanghai area was something pretty awesome to witness. So that is what I wanted to find tonight. If you look closely enough, they are actually projecting images, signs, slogans in English and Chinese on the side of the building.
I love you. 全民出来，回家。Make that's the breakfast that you eat.
Yeah.
Yes, like that.
So you can choose what dishes and make them here.
So it was now feeding time at the zoo, otherwise known as fill your face with Chinese food. We'd found a place, so we ventured in. To be fair, you're never going to be short of a place to eat Chinese food in China. And had some wonderful food, but unfortunately my battery cut out. And I didn't think you really wanted to watch me eating food out of a red bucket anyway. So here's a clip of me eating food somewhere else. We've been told if we continued in this direction, we would definitely come to Chinese karaoke outdoors. But with a lot of things Chinese, you'll always get a lot of yeses,
There you go.
which don't always ring true. It's a common thing in Asia, where people don't like to lose face, so they'd rather give you misinformation than be factual, unfortunately. But could I hear karaoke now? Could I be that lucky? Remembering that the definition of luck is being prepared when a situation presents itself. But considering I had no battery left now in that camera, I wasn't sure how things were going to work out, because this camera I'd now switched to had maybe 5 minutes left in it maximum for the battery. Fantastic, we had found karaoke, but the bigger question for me was my battery going to hold out long enough to allow me to record this. This battery is now on its last legs.